In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The Humidipure Triple Action Humidifier by Winix harnesses the natural cleaning power of water and an innovative HEPA carbon combination filter to simultaneously humidify and purify the air in your home. Humidipure provides around-the-clock protection from a wide range of air pollutants, including dust, pollen, pet dander, bacteria, and mold spores. With 3 modes of operation, adjustable timer settings, and an intuitive control panel, the Humidipure air washer is easy to operate, and when in auto mode, automatically adjusts itself to regulate the air quality in your home. Humidipure also humidifies while it rids your home of airborne respiratory irritants. First, Humidipure draws polluted air through the HEPA carbon combination filter, removing dander, pet allergens, lint, and other airborne pollutants, while also reducing household odors. Next, air passes through the CleanCell antimicrobial discs, collecting airborne pollutants and rinsing them through water, dropping the heavier particles in the slide-out water tank. As these dishwasher-safe discs spin, the water is broken into fine droplets that are directed by airflow to the final stage of air purification. Finally, built-in plasma wave technology by Winix safely breaks apart other contaminants, such as chemical vapors, on a molecular level to deliver superior air purification and healthy humidification. The Humidipure Triple Action Humidifier is uniquely designed for the modern home, containing some of the most innovative features for ultra-quiet operation. The Humidipure Triple Action Humidifier by Winix. Take control of your indoor air quality.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.